The 2019 Jeep Cherokee claims for its bold side, however it isn't as open as opponents. The 2019 Jeep Cherokee gets more regular styling this year and includes a capable Turbo 4 motor. It holds its rough terrain ability, particularly in the Trailhawk model, and it's agreeable on asphalt as well. Inside room is an issue despite the fact that inside materials are most certainly not. Crash test comes about are not as much as stellar, however Jeep makes a lot of dynamic well-being highlights accessible. Notwithstanding Trailhawk, Jeep offers the Cherokee in Latitude, Latitude Plus, Limited, and Overland trims. We rate it a 6.2 out of 10. The Cherokee made its presentation for the 2014 model year and it is refreshed for 2019 with new styling, another motor, a refreshed infotainment framework, and changed transmission and suspension tuning. The Cherokee's new looks get rid of the weirdo six-tiered toward look of the past model and unite the lighting where it should be. The headlights are currently LEDs with coordinated daytime running lights, and haze lights are situated beneath. The front end is sufficiently not the same as the Grand Cherokee to look particular, however the family similarity is self-evident. Whatever is left of the body is somewhat non-specific, be that as it may. Inside, the Cherokee is alluring and utilitarian however does not have the space of opponents. The inside shading decisions are named after outlandish areas, and Jeep refreshed the infotainment framework with quicker processors, a bigger 7.0-inch touchscreen on base models, and standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.